All right, well, today's Saturday, November 16th, 2024, and I guess I got a little sidetracked. But anyway, let's get a view of the raised beds from up top. There they are, and there's my bullseye for the firewood when that gets here. At least one cord that I could put in the basement. But oh, hello. I got sidetracked. It was like 3.5 hours inside of Home Depot getting what I got. So, in any event, as they say, I had to hook up the trailer, which I did, load it up. Don't you go too far, Mr. Jake. Hey, Jake. I don't want to be meeting any bears. So I decided to build a firewood shed right over here. So this is for the downstairs door. This is for the firewood shed. This will be the sides and the roof. And this will be the floor and the base, and I'm not going to leave spaces between like I did in the Gen shed. It's going to go right here. It's going to be 4 by 12. But before I do that, I have to take down these little pines. I'm going to take down that tree over here. This little brush stuff. Probably that tree and those 2, 3 there, and I should be able to get them to fall this way so it won't hit anything. And yeah, so once I finish bucking up these trees down here, well, not actually, well, I do have to buck them up. Bucking is called when you cut them into slices. Then I have to fire up that log splitter and then split them. And then, since this is relatively fresh wood, I'll be putting it in the firewood shed. Jake! Jake! All right, I know you like to run. Yes, you do. All right, hey, come on over here. Jake! Good boy. Good boy. So I cleaned this up a little, but all right, Jake, come on. I hear something. Grab your bear bells and let's go. Come on. I don't want any bear encounters, even though last time it ran away. He might attract it. So, in any event, that's it for today. I'll post it as I get going. It's a nice day today, but it is a little windy, as you can see by the fog. Alrighty, so just a shorty until next time.